Are you experiencing blurry textures in Counter-Strike 2? You're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through several steps to fix that frustration and enhance your gameplay experience. First, let's ensure your system meets the requirements for Counter-Strike 2. Check whether your CPU, GPU, and RAM meet or exceed the game's recommended specs for optimal performance. Next, we suggest adjusting your in-game graphical settings. Navigate to the Settings menu and make sure the texture quality is set to high. This can significantly improve the texture clarity. Don't forget to update your graphics drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website, be it NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest drivers. This can fix issues and improve overall performance. Another useful step is to verify your game files through the Steam client. Right-click on Counter-Strike 2, go to Properties, and verify the integrity of the game files. This checks for and replaces any missing or corrupted files that could contribute to blurry textures. Also, check your monitor's refresh rate settings. Ensure it's set to the highest possible frequency, which can help display clearer images and reduce blurriness. In some cases, lowering your screen resolution can actually improve texture clarity. While it may not be ideal, it can help if you're experiencing heavy blur. For users with NVIDIA or AMD graphics cards, changing settings in the control panel can optimize your game's visuals. Look for settings like texture filtering and performance adjustments. Finally, consider disabling anti-aliasing. While this feature smooths out edges in games, it can sometimes contribute to texture blurriness. Testing it out could give you better clarity. To wrap it all up, we've covered essential steps to fix blurry textures in Counter-Strike 2, from updating drivers to adjusting settings. Try these suggestions to enhance your gaming experience.